Excuse me.
Bug off, bitch. I'll get to you later.
Did you just call me bitch?
Yeah, I said it.
Hey, everybody. Did you hear that? Big Raymond, for no reason, just called me bitch. Now, was that nice? It's not like I called him fat. It's not like I said I seen pig shit prettier than he is, which it does.
Oh, my cracker! Laying the boot to the big nigga, give it up!
Don't use that word around me. It's ugly and racist.
We want you to join up with us, not me, because them niggas are gonna tear you.
Oh! I said don't talk that way around me.